Now, no proper learning management would be complete without having a student mobile app. It's very important that your students have as much accessibility to your training as possible. And with Tekmatix, not only do you get a staff admin app for free, you also get an app for your students. So your students can, free of charge, download an app from their Google Play or their Apple Store, and they can log into your portal that you have branded with your branding internally, that they can then watch all of their training from. This allows them not only to view the courses, the products that they've purchased from you. This can also include meditations because there's audio file uploads available in here too. It also is where they will find their affiliate links if they're an affiliate to your programs, which Tekmatix also does. They also can access a community if you've created one from here as well. They can chat in here, as you can see down at the bottom. They can leave comments on lessons, or you can choose to turn that off. You can add files and downloadables into your student area, which are both accessible on desktop and from the mobile device as well. Again, I reiterate, this mobile app for your students is free of charge when you have a Tekmatix account. There are platforms out there that are charging 3 to 5 times more than Tekmatix's monthly fee just for a mobile app alone. You're getting everything that you're seeing here for less than the price of most platforms charge for one feature alone. This is so good, and it's going to make you look incredibly professional. Absolutely fantastic for your reputation, for your customer experience, for your student retention, and your student completion.